Hello guys, in today's tutorial I'm going to be showing you how you can start selling digital products on eBay. This is going to be a step-by-step tutorial. Now I'm going to be showing you guys like my experience with physical and digital products. Now let's get started right now. Now the first thing you need to do, of course guys, is to click here on sell in the top here, sell, and then you want to click on create listing, and you want, as you can see here, create listing. Now after guys you are on this page, you just need to come up with the title of your digital product. Now by the way, if you are selling a digital product but it's in for example USB or CD, for example, that file, you like, for example, you are selling something physical but inside that there is a digital thing, a file or whatever, you don't list it as a digital product, you list it as a physical product. But because at the end of the day you are going to ship the product to the customer, which is what eBay wants. They just want the tracking number to show that it's delivered. But if you are selling a digital product, that's a different story, because with digital product you are just going to send it through email, through eBay messages, so there is no proof of delivery. Okay, so I'm going to be showing you guys exactly guys how you can do both of this. Okay, how you can sell the physical, for example, how you can sell a digital product inside a physical product, if that makes sense. Like if it's an USB or CD, for example, game, whatever, it's like you are going to provide the tracking number. Like if you are going to send it to, if you are going to ship it to the customer with tracking number, then you just list it just like you do with listing a physical product, because at the end of the day, like I said, you are going to send it to the customer and there will be a proof of delivery. Now if you are selling physical product, like I said, list it as a physical product. Okay, if you are selling digital, that's a different story. Now digital, you just need to, for example, let's say Windows key, even though I don't recommend to resell Windows keys because a lot of eBay gets suspended. Why? Because they don't sell it as a digital product, they sell it as a physical product. They say, okay, this is the shipping. It's just the trick they do to eBay. And when they are caught, then eBay will suspend their account. Now for example, I'm going to show you guys exactly what I mean. Okay, so I'm going to search here for Windows key, for example. Okay, so if you notice here, there is this window key here. Okay, now it says here Microsoft Windows key, Windows XP professional full operating system. Now this one is a digital product. Okay, there is a digital product inside the city, but he is selling it as a physical product because he is going to send this via like whatever deliver like a shipping company that will actually ship the product. This is not a problem. Now the problem here is these people that are going to sell, for example, this one. Okay, this one here, it's okay, Microsoft key via eBay message. Okay, this is exactly guys the problem, which is this one, Microsoft Windows 10 Pro retail key via eBay email message, ships immediately. Now if you buy this product, you will receive the Windows key inside the eBay messages. Now that's the digital product, but the way he listed this product is very wrong, because he listed it as a digital as a physical product. Now if he is caught, if eBay caught this, they are going to suspend their account immediately. Okay, so what mistake he made? The mistake he made here is he is selling this as a physical product even though it's digital, and he is going to send it via email or eBay. As you can see, it says here free international shipping. Okay, located in Germany. Now in this case right now here, this is a very bad thing, because if eBay like recognize this, he's going to get suspended. Okay, this is not the correct way to sell a digital product. Now I'm going to show you guys the correct way to sell a digital product. Like after you come up with the title, select here brand new and click on continue selling, After that, guys, you want to scroll down. Okay, now after you scroll down, here is the trick. Okay, the trick here is the item category. If you are selling, like I said, a physical product, like inside it there is digital, don't touch anything. eBay will do everything for you. But if you are selling it via eBay messages or email, then you want to click on item category here, and you want to select, scroll down. Okay, scroll down, and you want to find here this category, which is everything else. Make sure you select this one. Okay, so after, guys, you select everything else, then what you guys need to do next is you want to select here information products. Okay, so after, guys, you click on information products, you want to select on other information products. Okay, everything else, as you can see, make sure you select, like I said, everything else. Okay, don't select any category beside everything else. Like I said, everything else, and select let me check here. Okay, yeah, and that's it. Okay, that's exactly everything else and information products. Okay, now that's a digital product in this case. Now, what a lot of people don't do when they change the category to the correct category with digital products, they don't change the format to classified ad. Okay, change it to classified ad, not buy it now. If you are selling a digital product, don't select buy it now. A digital product, like I said, that will be sent via email or eBay messages, don't select buy now. Okay, select classified ad. Okay, and here you want to add the advertised ad, the advertised price. I'm sorry, I'm going to sell it for $20. Keep in mind there will be a fee of almost $10 for each time you list a digital product. This is exactly why the reason why a lot of people don't sell a digital product as a digital product. They sell it as a physical product to run away from fees. Okay, so that's the problem here. As you can see, the insertion fee is $9.95. Okay, so after you finished, click on list it now, and here will be a fee. Like I said, you will be paid by you, which is $9.95. Okay, so this is exactly, guys, what you need to do. Hopefully this one, guys, helped you. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments right now. Okay, just go to the comments below and tell me your question, and I will try my best, guys, to reply to everyone. Okay, so see you guys next video. Make sure you drop a like, and see you guys next tutorial.